Hi guys, so today we're going to make some Filipino chicken adobo. Someone requested a Filipino recipe, so I went on the search and I found this one, and I'm so glad I did because it's quite delicious, so thank you for the request. Now for your ingredients, you're going to need some soy sauce, some brown sugar, some vinegar, a few bay leaves, minced garlic, and some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make our marinade. We're going to go ahead and take our soy sauce, our vinegar, our bay leaves, and half of our minced garlic. And we're going to whisk that up. And then we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. You want to make sure it's nice and covered. Next, we're going to go ahead and cover it, and you want to pop it in the fridge for 20 minutes plus, at least 20 minutes. If you can do longer, that's great. Now once we get it out of the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and take a hot skillet and add a little bit of oil, and then we're going to add our chicken. Don't throw away your marinade because that's going to be our sauce. I couldn't stand to look at that chicken look so naked, so I'm adding some black pepper and onion powder. And after it's nice and brown on one side, you want to flip it over and then go ahead and add a little bit more black pepper and onion powder. And then when it's brown on that side, you want to go ahead and remove the chicken and set it to the side. And in the same pan, we're going to go ahead and start to build our sauce. We're going to take some diced onion. I'm going to get that warmed up. Now once that's nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add in some minced garlic. Now we're going to go ahead and take that marinade and add it to our skillet. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of brown sugar. And a little bit of water. Now once that comes up to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken back in. You don't have to stir it, you don't have to mess with it at all. Just let it simmer down and do its own thing. Now after it was done, I went ahead and chopped mine up and served it on some white rice, kind of like always. And then of course I had to add a little green to the top to make it look pretty. Definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for requesting a Filipino dish. This was yummy. Yum.